got one in the corner there. Yeah.
You want me to go to Fastenal, Phil?
I'll see if I can find them first.
Alright, put it in the forward corner. There you go. There you go. Good one. I got 3 in there.
The arch is being installed right now, and right now what he's doing is he's measuring for the two benches that are going in the back. There we go. Nice clean water line. It's all starting to come together. We continue to work on the arch today. They're out there working on the installation, while I'm in here working on tightening the bolts for the keel. Now that the boat is on the hard, all the weight of the boat is on the keel, and so I have a chance to tighten all the keel bolts and add a little bit of 5200 glue so that no water can leak into the boat from the keel bolts. So I'm gonna get cracking at that right now. Here's one bolt I've loosened up already. I got six bolts in total here to do. So that's my my task for this morning. So this is what we got so far. It is now almost lunchtime, so we're going to take a short break, have some lunch, and then we continue. But looking good so far. Alright, so there's a lot of noise here right now. The welding machine is powered up, and there's another boat being dropped into the water now, so that one's going out, and here's the welding. That's the bimini up there. Look at this baby. Another fun day here at the boatyard. I think the arch is going to be completed today. At least I hope so. There's not much left to do, just to finish up the 2 seats in the back, and then complete the bimini, the support for the bimini. So hopefully everything will be done today, and we can splash the boat back in the water, get it over to Vero Beach, where we're going to be installing the solar panels and the rest of the stuff we got to install. And that's it. Really excited about splashing the boat back in the water. This is the arch right there. And if you look over here, this is what's getting done to it. You see those chairs right there? So that's what's getting done to it right now. The chairs have to be installed in the back. Right back there. And then more support for the Biminig. As you can tell right now, it's being held up by string up there. I don't know how much you can tell. The sun is kind of in the way right there. There you go. So it's being supported by the string right now. The buckets are there right now. That's where the wind turbines, wind power generators are going. So there's an open hole at the top to run the cables through, and that goes right into the hull. So the buckets are there to prevent water from seeping down. They got to move this boat right now. So this boat is moving out of the way because this Bavaria 47, that's a boat for sale, 70,000, 47 footer, beautiful boat. I looked inside; it's an absolutely beautiful boat. So that one is going in the water today for a sea trial. So they're gonna have to move my boat or finish it up and splash it. Otherwise, I have to move it because that Bavaria has to go out today. So once Joey gets here and continues to work on the boat again, I will turn the camera back on and share it. Until then, cheers. It's coffee, but still, cheers. Today's a cheat day, so I'm gonna go to Publix and get some ice cream and some other treats, and spoil ourselves. We'll spoil me and Nikisha with some sweets. See the smile on your face? It's like a big kid. I just left Publix, and I got myself some cheat food. Today's cheat day, like I said. And so this is what I got. Some strawberries. There's whipped cream in the fridge. I'm going to take that out soon. There's a bag of candy, chocolate bars. My ice cream. There's some cheesecake. And some kettle cooked sea salt and vinegar chips. So, oh, and I got some coconut water in the fridge. Cheat days for me are, yeah, they're exactly what that is. Cheat day. So I'm gonna get back to consuming that, and I'll see you guys later when I'm all swollen up. No, that won't happen. Never. On my way back to Riverside Marina to see what's going on with the arch. I'm really hoping to get it done today, so that I can take the boat back to Vero Beach, City Marina for the rest of the installation. It kind of has to get done today because I have to see. I have a permit, a cruising permit here in the U.S., and that expires tomorrow. So if the boat is still in U.S. waters, I have to surrender my my registration for the boat until the boat is ready to leave U.S. waters. That's one way of them making sure that I'm not cruising while I'm in U.S. waters. So if the boat is being worked on, they say it's okay. We have no problem with that. We understand things happen, but you cannot cruise. So surrender your registration, and when you're ready to leave, you come back, fill up some paperwork, pay a certain fee. I didn't know how much it was, so he couldn't tell me. But I gotta pay a certain fee, and then I can leave. But I have to, every time I have to move, I have to go there and fill up this paperwork and pay this fee. So I want to really get the boat out of Riverside Marina and over to Vero Beach City Marina by the end of the day, so that I can go tomorrow, surrender the registration, and that's it. Because the boat will not move from Vero Beach until we are ready to leave to the Bahamas. I think. One sec. I think we've kind of sort of decided on staying here in Florida until October 31st to celebrate Halloween. We're gonna try to look for a Halloween party, and then we're gonna cross over to the Bahamas first good weather window. So that's the plan so far. We'll see what happens. Anyhow, I'm on my way to the marina right now. Hopefully they're already on it. It's early. It's only 8:45. So we'll see what happens. All right, Blu Bayou is going into the water. Tonight we're going out to this local bar here called Sharky's, and we haven't gone out in a long since we got here technically. We went out for dinner and stuff like that, but we're gonna go and have a couple drinks. Keisha would like some pina colada. Keisha, pina colada.
Oh yeah, I know.
So we're gonna go and try and grab a couple pina coladas tonight, and tomorrow. Now we got the boat over to Vero Beach City Marina. It's in a slip right now. So tomorrow morning I have to go and surrender the registration for the boat because our cruising permit has expired. So I'm gonna surrender the registration, and once we're ready to leave, we gotta go back, fill up some paperwork, and pay a fee, and then we can exit. So that's tomorrow, and then right after that, I'm going to go straight to the marina and let the work begin, and running cables, connecting everything, and whatnot. So yep, that's the plan for now. Couple drinks, and then the rest will follow. Next week on Blu Bayou, we start purchasing all the equipment needed for the upgrade on the electrical system on the boat. I had to jump into the water, save a dog at the marina.
and start installing everything that needs to be installed in order to get the boat ready for a crossing to the Bahamas. Now remember folks, if you like these videos, please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe. See you next week.